It was a dark and stormy night, and Doug was at his workbench when a knock came at the front door. Confused, Doug opened the window. He stuck his head out of the window, holding the rotary phone handset to his ear. "What's up, home squatch skillet?" And from out in the dark came a familiar voice. "Doug, it's Charlie Mack. I've got a great idea." Doug replied, "What's your idea?" "Can I come inside? It's kind of dark and stormy out." "And I brought some pork belly and baked beans too," Charlie answered. "Well, come on in." As the two settled down in Doug's shop, they ate, shared some fine bourbon together. "So what's this great idea?" Doug asked. "The other day, I bought a 1939 Cadet K38 Cabriolet limousine off of Amazon," was Charlie's reply. "You mean a model kit?" Doug asked. With a wicked gleam in his eye, Charlie said, "No, the real thing. And I need your help turning it into the most awesome machine ever." Doug sat a moment thinking. He took another sip of that fine bourbon and replied, "I'm in. And you know what I picked up from Walmart yesterday? A T55 tank engine. We could put that into the car." Charlie took a slow sip of bourbon and asked, "You can get a T55 tank engine at Walmart?" Doug looked at Charlie and replied, "You bought a 1939 Cadet from Amazon, and you're wondering how I bought a tank engine?" With a sigh, Charlie responded, "You're right. None of this makes sense. So are you in on helping me?" Doug looked at Charlie with a steely gaze and said, "Yep." The two, under the cover of a dark and stormy night, began their nefarious work. They toiled through the rest of the night, through the next day, when suddenly Charlie stated, "The frame of this car won't be able to handle the torque of the tank engine. We need something stronger." Doug rolled out from under the car and thought, "I've got it. I have a 5-ton M923 truck. We could strip everything off of that and use the frame." Charlie looked at his friend and asked, "Where do you have that?" "Out back," Doug chuckled and rolled back under the car. The two began the process of stripping the truck down to its frame and rolled it into Doug's workbench area where the beast was taking shape. Another day flew by as they worked to bring their creation to life. Finally, after 4 days of work, Doug looked at Charlie and said, "We're done. This was your idea. You started up for the first time." Charlie said, "All right." There's a bit of fear in his voice as he looked at the beast they had created together. He climbed into the car, stepped on the clutch, made sure the brake was engaged, hit the magneto switch, and fired again, and it roared to life. There we go, folks. Here's Charlie and Doug's hybrid. I hope you all enjoyed that. That was just a little bit of fun on my part. So this is all 1/35th scale models. Again, this is from the car, which is the Cadet K39, is from ICM. The truck is a 1/35th scale Italieri M923 5-ton U.S. Army truck. And the tank engine came from Czech's Models. It's a T55 1/35th tank engine. And I just had a little bit of fun with this. And I thought, this would make a great group build. Charlie and Doug are great people in this community for models and other things that we all do together. And I thought this would be a fun way to just show our appreciation to both of them. And essentially the idea is, if Doug and Charlie got together, what in your mind would they make? So no time limit on it, no time limit on this. Do this when you want, however you want. And you certainly don't have to do what I did as the intro. That was just me goofing around and having a little bit of fun. And I hope nobody took it for more than what it was, just a little bit of fun. But here we go. This is it, folks. I'll do another little quick video after I post this one about how the build went and some of the things that I worked on to get it to this point. There you go. Hope everybody's having a great day. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. And I hope everybody's having a great week and we'll have a great weekend. And I will talk to you all real soon. Bye.